Hello and welcome to this evening's meditation. My name is Caroline Measures and I'm a women's therapist and holistic life coach. And throughout the month of December, I'm partnering with Planet Mindful magazine to bring you a weekly dose of meditation and calm in the run-up to Christmas. Because the Christmas period can be so much fun and, we've got all the things that we usually look forward to. Going out with friends, our office parties, our family get-togethers. And for some people, that's great and it's something really to look forward to. For others, it can be quite an overwhelming experience with all that we have to do and prepare and plan, and also with the uncertainty that's going on in the world outside at the moment. So what we can do in these weekly sessions is just invite you to relax for half an hour, and it's something that you can listen to over and over again because we leave it on the page here. And if you just build in half an hour into your daily routine at any time of the day or evening to listen to a meditation, you can give yourself that 30 minutes of calm, and it really does buy you a breathing space in what can be sometimes a chaotic world. So for tonight's meditation, I invite you to relax, settle down right where you are now. You might want to roll your neck or shoulders just to start moving your body, moving your awareness into the space that you need for meditation. Because sometimes it's not so easy just to switch off our minds and instantly be relaxed. But if you signal to your body that this is what you're going to do, by relaxing muscles, easing out any tension, and simple things like lighting a candle or creating a space where you can meditate, all send signals to your brain and your body that this is now the time to slow down and allow meditation to work its magic. So if you're sitting or lying, just get comfortable, whatever is right for you right now. And I'd like you to start by taking a lovely deep breath in. Really fill your body, fill the space with air. And exhale. And as you exhale, just think release as you start to let go of the day. That's right, just let it go. Take another lovely deep breath in. Fill your body space. That's right. And when it feels like you can't take in any more, let it go. And allow the tension to dissolve with every out breath. And let's do one more deep breath in, preparing you for a lovely meditation. And releasing. And just notice how everything seems to settle just a little bit more when you move into deeper breathing, and just allow your breath to return to normal now. You might want to bring your attention to your breathing, and it's helpful if your eyes are closed. So just go ahead and allow your eyes to close if they aren't already. That's right, gently closing the eyes and focusing inwards. Noticing where the air enters your body at the nostrils and following it all the way into your chest, even into your belly. And to see if you're breathing deeply or not, you can always place your hands on your belly and just feel the breath. As you breathe in, your belly might rise. And as you exhale, it falls again. And it doesn't matter if that's not happening. Just follow the breath in whatever way is right for you. And just be aware of the ebb and flow that happens all by itself. There's no need for you to force the breathing or control it in any way. Just follow the breath in and follow it back out again. Like the waves on the beach. Come and go all by themselves. That's it. And with every breath you take, you can feel yourself sinking lower and lower into peaceful relaxation. Just allow those breaths to take you deeper into a place of stillness, where tension can just ease away. And you might notice the weight of your body. Get a sense of any points of contact between you and the chair, the floor, the bed. Wherever you are, just notice the points of contact and feel the support. Feel your body held and supported by whatever you're sitting or lying on right now. And with every breath, you might feel that you're sinking just a little bit more. Sinking down and down into a peaceful relaxation. That's it. Just taking this moment for yourself to relax, settling down, and allowing yourself this time. The time to rest and heal. That's it. And just feel your body release all of the energy that no longer serves you. Allow it to flow away smoothly and easily. And if you need to adjust your position to be more comfortable, just go ahead and do that. Make this the most comfortable experience for you. And you can scan your body, looking for any areas of tension. Look for areas of concern or pain, or visualize the breath filling that area. See if you can guide it from where it enters the nostrils down into the chest. Allow it to flow to wherever you feel any tension. And on the out breath, visualize all the tension and stress leaving your body easily and effortlessly. And starting from your crown, feel the stress and tension just melt away. Your forehead, your eyebrows, relax all those tiny muscles around your eyes. Your cheeks, your jaw. Allow your jaw to go a bit slacker than it is. See if you can ease your facial expression just a little bit. Allow your tongue to come away from the roof of the mouth. And relax around the back of your head and your neck. Feel the tension just melt away with every moment that passes. And allow this feeling to spread out over your shoulders, flowing into your upper arms, down past the elbows, into your forearms, past your wrists, into your hands and fingertips. Feel an energy of relaxation flow through your crown, down your arms, and out your hands. You might want to see this as a colour or a light or a movement of energy. And immediately you can feel more relaxed, more at peace, and more in tune with yourself. And just stay aware of your breathing as we continue with the physical relaxation. Allowing your awareness to spread across the front of your chest, the back of your chest, down over the solar plexus, the belly, your lower back, through the pelvic area. See if you can consciously relax the whole of your pelvis. It's like bringing a loving awareness to each area. Shining a torch of awareness and relaxing as we move your awareness down over your hips and thighs, feeling any tension melt away. Over your knees, front and back, your calf muscles and your ankles. Feel the flow of energy flow smoothly from your crown, down your arms and torso, legs and ankles, and finally your feet. And see if you can feel the energy flow freely from your toes. Again, it can be helpful to imagine it as a light or a colour or a flow that's coming in through the crown and flowing down through the body and out through the fingertips and toes. Good. And you can allow yourself to feel complete, relaxed, and in tune. Finding balance through the moments of meditation. I'd like you to imagine that you're walking down a pathway, a beautiful, overgrown pathway. Just make your way along, feeling safe and comfortable, relaxed and at peace with every moment that passes. And as you move along this path, you become aware that you can hear Water, tinkling like a waterfall or a shower into a pool. And the sound gets louder as you make your way along the path. And just ahead of you, there's a beautiful, gentle waterfall flowing softly over the rocks into a pool below that's crystal clear. The sun sparkling off the water. And you can step into the pool. The water is at the perfect temperature. And move towards the waterfall. Reach out with your hand and allow the water to softly flow over your skin. And as the water is at the perfect temperature for you, you can ease your body into the soft flow. Feeling it cleansing and pure as the sparkling water flows over your head, down over your shoulders, down your legs, into the pool below. And this water, like any waterfall, can wash away all stress, all tension. And in your mind's eye, look down to your feet and see all of the stress and the tension simply washed away. And now the water starts to change colour. The waterfall turns into a beautiful, vibrant red, sparkling. And the red water pours down and energizes you right to your core. Just stand there a moment and feel yourself infused with the beautiful, vibrant red. And feel this colour washing away all of your fears. Without any resistance, they are simply washed down into the pool and flow away. It's that easy. Release your fears to the warm, red flow of water and feel safe and grounded and free from fear. After a moment, the water starts to change colour again. And this time, it becomes a brilliant shade of orange. Orange opens you to experience joy and allows you to release any shame, any guilt. Feel the orange waterfall wash over you now. As the colour washes through you and around you, taking away anything that no longer serves you, making more space for joy, for connection, for harmonious relationships. As you relax in the flow of this beautiful waterfall. And then the water becomes a bright shade of yellow. Feel the sparkling yellow water cleanse any emotional pain. And realize that some things are out of your control and you can best handle them when you're calm and collected. Feel your body strengthen and become more secure as you bathe in the yellow water flow. It clears the mind and invigorates the digestive system. The seat of your personal power shines bright as you bathe in the beautiful yellow waterfall. Take a nice deep breath and feel the clarity within. Now the water turns to a brilliant shade of green, balancing and restoring the physical body. And allow this green, beautiful water to purify the whole system, from your crown down to your toes, renewing your expression of love and forgiveness. Just as you love, you are loved. Feel the green water open your heart to all the love you deserve. And know that you are connected to all. Then the water changes again to a beautiful, cooling, magical blue. This blue enhances self-expression, allowing you to speak your truth, the universal truth. Feel the blue all around you, allowing you to express yourself according to your true self. In this waterfall, tilt your head back so that the blue water falls right on your throat. And let the warm water relax all the muscles of your neck as you breathe in and out freely. Then the water changes to a colour containing indigo and purple. Feel it land on your crown and wash all over you. Indigo and purple stimulate your own healing power and wisdom. Allow the indigo to stimulate your third eye and intuition, while purple increases your cosmic connection. Feel the calming influence of the velvet, dark colours of indigo and purple, like the midnight sky. And finally, the water flow turns to a brilliant, glowing white light. Feel it embrace you, warm and pure. This heavenly white light takes away any pain and heals any hurt. It helps you find the peace and joy within your own spirit. Take this moment to enjoy the white light that surrounds you now, that fills you and holds you secure. Enjoy how you feel. Enjoy being you. Know that you are perfect. And as you bathe in the white light, know that you are now cleansed inside and out, in body, mind, and spirit. You are standing in peace and harmony with yourself and the world, both physical and spiritual. So just enjoy the last few moments of this magical colour waterfall. And take a few refreshing breaths before you get ready to step out of the flow and up out of the pond. As you towel yourself dry in your imagination, feel your body. Feel that your muscles are relaxed. Feel that your energy has been revitalized. Your spirits are refreshed. Your mind is clear. And you are looking forward to what is to come. Become conscious of your breath. And now you've been through the beautiful, magical waterfall. You can start to bring your awareness back to wherever you are right now. Bring your attention back to your breath, just allowing it to gently flow. As you bring some movement into your hands and your feet, wiggling your fingers and your toes. Maybe taking a nice stretch And a lovely deep breath in as you get ready to open your eyes and come back to the present moment, feeling refreshed, comfortable, and relaxed. So I hope you enjoyed our meditation this evening, the magical colour waterfall. It's one of my favourites, and if you know your chakras, then you will have been aware of the colours that we go through with the water. So not only have you got the very cleansing image of a waterfall, which is beautiful by itself, but we also bring in the colours, and by focusing on the colours and the changing colour of the water and the flow, it also allows us to start working with our energy and finding that release from tension and bringing more peace and relaxation into every cell of our bodies and a bit beyond. So if you've enjoyed that this evening, please feel free to listen again. We'll leave this up on the page so that you can watch it again at your leisure. And the more you do it, the more you can buy yourself these little chunks of relaxation time that can make such a difference, particularly in this busy period in the run-up to Christmas. So feel free to drop me a line. Let me know how you got on with the meditation. I'll be back next Wednesday for another instalment of calming, mindful meditation to take you through to Christmas. And if you'd like to find out more about what I do, then feel free to pop over to my Facebook group, which is Your Mindful Menopause, where we use things like meditation and mindfulness to help work with our emotions and our hormones on a monthly basis. So I wish you well, and I look forward to seeing you again, 8 o'clock next Wednesday. Take care. Lots of love. Night night.